1st April there are no flights from Kathmandu to Lukla. The flights run from Ramechap to Lukla, and Ramechap is around 6 to 7 hours journey from Kathmandu. So we are at Ramechap and we just got our tickets to fly for our Lukla flight, and for this you can carry only 15 kilograms and 10 kgs for the check-in luggage and 5 kgs for the cabin bag. And as we were 4 people, so they also considered the total weight altogether, so you need not worry that one of your friend has more luggage and the other one has less one, so you can totally combine them and go together. So for us it was less than 60 kgs for 4 of us. Just beside the check-in counter you have this security check where they check for your backpack and if you're carrying any oxygen cylinders. We booked through a travel agency for Summit Air, and after providing our passports we are heading now. So after a 20 minutes of flight we have arrived at Lukla and it is cold here. So today is day 2 of our hike to Everest base camp, and we are at Lukla now. Me and my buddies here, we are all set to move towards Lukla. It's 9:30 AM. We had a mini breakfast in Lukla. So this is day 2 of our trip and we are hiking from Lukla to Monjo. So just after you come out of the Lukla, you'll be able to see this tourism office where you need to pay for the permit, which is the municipality permit, and it's 2000 NPR irrespective of the nationality. So either you're Indian or from any other foreign country, you have to pay 2000 NPR. After this there will be another permit that you need to take, which is at the entrance of Monjo. On the way you have plenty of options to eat, drink. There are many small restaurants and tea houses, and also there are a couple of public toilets and some toilets that you can ask for the restaurant owners. And yeah, it's pretty good. So you basically find everything on the way. You don't need to carry your own food. So after an hour of hike, which was complete descent, you come across this bridge which makes you walk on the other side of the mountain. So earlier we have been walking on this side and now we'll be walking on this opposite side. So it's 1:30 p.m. now and we are at Phakding. We have been hiking pretty slow because it is a self-guided tour and we are carrying everything ourselves. So we have our own sleeping bag and lots of food as well that we are carrying. So yeah, it's a little heavy backpack and we are able to manage slow and steady. And as it is the first day of our hike, where we are walking with so much of weight, so we are keeping it slow. That's the best thing, where you can regulate your breath along with the steps that you take. That's the trick I follow. So after you cross Phakding, you have to come to this particular spot where you need to show the permit which you took for the municipality permission at Lukla. And this is the checkpoint Tok Tok, where you need to show and get the stamp. So this is the stamp that has been given. After this we'll be walking towards Monjo. To reach till Monjo, you will be crossing such 3 bridges, the swinging ones, and yeah, walking on such bridges is really nice. On the way we see this beautiful waterfall, but there is very less water here. This is where we are staying in Monjo. It's called Namaste Hotel. This is the view from Monjo Hotel, and this is where we are staying. Here you can see they have provided one with the double bed and one single bed, and the view outside is really nice. Yeah, for staying in this small stay, we had to pay 500 Nepali rupees. Also, if you plan to take hot shower, then you have to pay extra money for that. Some hotels they charge you 300 NPR, some 500 NPR, so you can also negotiate with them. Thanks for watching. Emmet Traveler. Keep liking, subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.